back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
Hi everyone, hope you're all alright. I just thought in today's video I would do a bit of a day in the life. Yeah, the boys are at school and I'm just going to potter around the house. I've got a few things that I need to get done and I just thought it'd be quite nice to share my day with you. Hot coffee has been made, which is just my morning essential, first one of the day. Got to be a little bit productive today, not gonna lie. I've got a few things I need to get done, so yeah, just thought I'd bring you along with me on this really cold autumnal day. I've got the heating on. Have you got your heating on yet this time of year? I just put mine on for the first time the other day, and yeah, that's like, there'll be no stopping me now. I'm always cold, so yeah, the heating is very much on. I'm gonna make some breakfast and then yeah, get on with everything that I need to do. Before I go and make my breakfast, I just want to quickly talk to you about these FitTrack scales. So this is the company that I'm working with this month, and I don't tend to, I mean, I used to be quite obsessive with seeing what I weighed, and that used to be quite important what was on the scales. I definitely don't find it as important as I used to, but what I really like about these is there is not just like, it doesn't just tell you what you weigh. There is so many different variables that you can keep an eye on and track and see what's going on with your body. So this will tell you things like your body fat percentage, your muscle mass, your protein, like so many different variables. I think there's about 17 different things that it tells you. And yeah, you can track it all through an app on your phone. You could do it every day if you wanted to, every week, every month. I think it's a really good way just to have a know, just to know what's going on in your body. So I'm just going to show you how they work. Stand on the scales, weight from the scales goes straight through to the app, and then you can have a look at all the different variables that it has on there. So as you can see from the screen recording, you can track all sorts of things: your protein mass, your basic metabolic rate, which is obviously what you're burning each day, your metabolic age. It just tells you so many different things. I mean, it even tells you what you weigh without fat. It's just insane. You can also set goals if you want to. You can add in your food intake. You can do like a little diary of that. I think you can track your sleep and things on there as well, your heart rate, how active you are. So yeah, it's a handy little app to go along with the scales. I'm not very clued up on all of these sorts of different things that you can measure in your body, but it's like the body fat percentage. It'll give you a little bit of information about what that actually is and what's a healthy range for you as well. So it's really interesting. I've never heard of subcutaneous fat. Oh, okay, so that's like the fat that you can see and touch. So it tells you if you're low, standard or high with these sorts of things. It's fascinating, it really is. Your bone mass, muscle mass, how much protein. Mine's quite low. Yeah, not very high on the protein. I'm in the low section, so that is good to know, because I should maybe try and get a bit more protein in my diet, which is, I can believe is true, to be fair. So that's something I'm going to work on. But yeah, really interesting. I'm going to leave the information down in the description box below, because I also have 25% off discount code if you want to check out the scales. But yeah, now for the rest of the day, what are we doing? I have got to put some washing away, have a little tidy up, so that's what I'm going to do next. And I'm also going to make some toast. That's what I'm going to have, and I need to reply to some emails as well. So very exciting stuff. But yeah, that is what I've got to get done, so let's get to it.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me.
So slight change of plan for today. I've just had to go pick Archie up because he's not feeling too good. I mean, he's okay, but yeah, he's not feeling it. He's not feeling the best. He's a little bit asthmatic like Tobes. So yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on him, but I really need to go and get something for tea because I really need to do a food shop. Not organised, and I promised him and Dylan some chocolate orange. So we are going to just quickly head out to the shop and get some yummy things for tea, and then yeah, back home to get nice and warm and cozy again because it's a little bit chilly. I've just also changed my jumper as well because I wanted to just be a bit more covered up because yeah, I just felt like I needed a big snuggly jumper on. So I've just put this on, which was, I think it's H&M, this jumper. Yeah, it's lasted really well. I had it last year, so I haven't bought any jumpers this year, but I do love having a look at all the big comfy jumpers that are out. So yeah, big jumper on, let's go and get some yummy food.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side, blinded by the lights.
So we are back from Morrison's, me and Archie. I just thought I'd show you the little selection of goodies that we picked up. I got some of these that are like the Pom Bear crisps. They're Dexter the dog. Chocolate orange. Archie's already eaten some chocolate orange because that is what I promised him and Dylan. They really wanted some, and this time of year they are a weekly thing. Some goat's cheese because I'm just obsessed at the minute, absolutely obsessed. And I got this, which is so nice, this hummus with pesto and pine nuts that Morrison's does. Oh, so gorgeous. So goat's cheese, I've got some grapes in the fridge, a bit of this hummus, some cherry tomatoes with it, and then I also got some pitters. A really nice little combination that'll probably be my lunch. We got some flakes and some whipped cream because it's hot chocolate season. We're also going to make some cookies, aren't we, Arch? We're going to make some rainbow chocolate chip cookies, this Betty Crocker mix that
at the same time.
that Archie chose. And we got wraps because we're going to have fajitas tonight. Pepsi Max, because that's just one of my essentials. Some bread, we got some chicken. It's a bit of a shortage at the minute, isn't there, of chicken? I did struggle to get much, but found some of these chicken thighs. And then some pano chocolats because we were all out of them. So yeah, that's just my little shopping haul. So we'll put it away now, won't we, Arch? And then we'll do some baking. Should we do some baking? You're not eating all that.
I know.
And we'll do some baking together, okay?
Please can you get me a drink?
Yeah, I can. Right, let's put this shopping away as well.
So you kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made her do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think. Not as cool as you think, yeah. So you came home late just 'cause you wanted to. Your mom's still awake
lot later on in the day now. I have not had chance to come back on, actually. I think the fact that, cookie in hand, of course, because that's all I've eaten pretty much all day. Because Archie's been poorly, it's been one of them days where everything's gone out the window, really. And you're here now. You're right, buddy? Okay. But we are getting all cozy for the evening now. It's around 7 o'clock. We have just had, well, the boys have just had quesadillas for tea. I have promised hot chocolates and obviously have the whipped cream and the flakes and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna get everybody to get their pajamas on, get nice hot showers and make some nice hot chocolates and yeah, light all the candles, all that good stuff and get it all cozy.
You always said we were the good ones. Like an 18-minute thriller movie. I always knew you always meant it. But now we're standing on the bedside too. Oh, I never meant to hurt you, but I hurt you, so sorry for that. Now you need space, I get it, like you said, it's alright. So I'm counting all the days till you'll come around to show me what you found. Since breaking from this misery, I wish that you could see me now that you're gone. Cause you need to be alone, away from our chemistry. I just hope you'll end up knowing that we're meant to last. I'm counting all the days till you come around. Or will you come around? Will you come around? Oh, believe me, we're the good ones. You know I always got you.
So I've just got Dylan and Archie off to bed and now it's just time for me and Tobes to have a little bit of time together. We're just going to watch a little bit of TV together for a little bit and then yeah, it won't be long until I am going to be asleep because I'm exhausted. So I think I'm going to end the video here just because I'm so tired, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, sit with Tobes for a little bit and then bed for both of us because I just cannot keep my eyes open for that much longer. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.